Hello everyone, today we are going to see a cool chemistry experiment. The titration of hydrogen peroxide H₂O₂ with the potassium permanganate KMnO₄. Titration is a way to find how much one substance is needed to react with another, and it's super important in science. First, look at the purple solution, that's potassium permanganate or KMnO₄. It's a strong oxidizing agent, which means it loves to give away oxygen. Now we add hydrogen peroxide H₂O₂, which is a common chemical found in household items like antiseptic. As we slowly add KMnO₄ to H₂O₂, something exciting happens. The purple color starts fade. Why? Because the KMnO₄ react with H₂O₂ and get reduced, turning from purple to colorless or light colored solution. This change tells us we have reached the end point of the reaction. The best part, the moment of purple disappear, we know exactly how much KMnO₄ it took to react the hydrogen peroxide. That's how we measure understand chemical reaction. The simple experiment shows us the power of chemical reaction and how scientists measure things precisely. It's quick, it's fun, and help to learn us how chemicals interact in the world around us. Let's watch the reaction in action and see chemistry comes alive. See the screen and note all the method that I am given to you, and please subscribe my channel and share also. It's motivate me a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Visit again for more exciting videos like that.